In this video, you'll learn how to check your deposit history on Bitget. This process will guide you through navigating the platform to find your financial transaction records. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Bitget website address in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will be welcomed by the main interface of the Bitget exchange. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Next, locate the profile icon, which is typically situated in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon may appear as a silhouette or a small avatar. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you can access various account settings. After that, select the option labeled Settings from the drop-down menu. Upon clicking this, you will be directed to a new page that displays your account settings. Here you can manage personal information and preferences related to your account. Once you're on the settings page, look for the dashboard option, which is often prominently displayed. Clicking on dashboard will take you to an overview of your account where you can view your assets and recent activity. Following this, find and click on the assets section within the dashboard. This area provides a summary of your available assets and balances. Make sure to check your available balance to confirm that you have sufficient funds for any transactions you may wish to perform. Next, you will see an option labeled Deposit. Click on this to proceed to the deposit section. This page will provide you with various options related to depositing funds into your account. Finally, locate the link for deposit history and click on it. This action will display a comprehensive list of your past deposit transactions, including dates, amounts, and statuses. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.